AI is getting smarter every single day, and most people don't even realize it yet. Some jobs won't disappear in 50 years, not even in 20. We are talking about the next few years. So the real question is not whether AI will change your job. The real question is, which jobs will it take first? Believe it or not, it's happening right now. Most people think AI will start with simple jobs. Factory workers, cashiers, delivery drivers. Makes sense, right? But that's not how it's playing out. AI isn't starting on the factory floor. It's starting in the digital world first. Jobs that exist entirely inside a screen. And that changes everything. Here's what you need to know. Modern AI can write full articles, generate images from a single sentence, compose music, write working computer code, and even hold a conversation that sounds human. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini are improving every single month. And that means one thing. Some professions aren't just changing, they're being rewritten from the ground up. And the list is longer than most people think. So let's go through the jobs AI is targeting right now. Starting with number 1. Think about it, millions of people working in customer support day after day. Answering the same questions, solving simple problems. It's repetitive work, and AI loves repetitive work. Chatbots can handle thousands of conversations at the same time. They don't get tired, don't get frustrated. They work at 3 a.m. the same way as 3 p.m. Many companies have already started replacing entire support teams with AI. Not planning to, they are doing it now. And this is just the beginning. Customer support is only the first domino. The next one hits closer to home for many people. For years, companies paid writers well for articles, blogs, product descriptions, and marketing copy. But today, AI can write a full, structured, readable article in seconds. Not a rough draft ready to publish. Some companies are already using AI to generate thousands of articles every month. Think about that, thousands. What used to take a team of writers weeks now takes minutes. Demand for basic writing work is already falling, and it's not slowing down. Next on the list is a job that almost nobody saw coming. AI image generators have improved dramatically. Now you can type a short description, and seconds later, a complete logo, poster, or social media graphic appears. For small businesses and startups, the choice is obvious. Why spend time and money when AI can do it almost instantly? Creative designers will always have a place. But fast, simple design work is already shifting to AI. Now here's one that surprises people every time. Translation used to mean years of study, understanding culture, capturing the meaning of every word. But AI translation has quietly become very good. It can translate full documents, websites, even live conversations in real time. Humans are still needed for complex work, legal documents, medical records, sensitive negotiations. But the basic translation market already automated. And finally, one that seems untouchable until you look closer. Programmers build the future, right? How could AI replace them? Well, AI can already write real functional code. Developers are using AI to write functions in seconds, find bugs, explain confusing code, and build faster than ever before. Junior developers aren't gone, they're just spending less time writing code from scratch, and more time guiding and correcting AI. The role is shifting from creator to supervisor, and it's happening right now. So we've looked at 5 jobs: customer support, content writing, graphic design, translation, and programming. But here's the bigger picture. AI isn't just automating tasks. It's learning to think through problems, make decisions, adapt. Every month it gets better, and that raises a question: where does it stop? Before you panic, remember this: technology has always changed work. The printing press replaced scribes. Cars replaced horse-drawn carriages. The internet replaced entire industries. Every time new jobs appeared, new industries were born. People adapted. AI will do the same. Some roles will shrink. New ones will grow. Those who understand this will be ready. Those who ignore it will fall behind. The real shift is not replacement, it's adaptation. People who learn to work with AI will get ahead. The most valuable skill in the next 10 years may not be writing, coding, or design. It may be knowing how to work effectively with AI. If you want to understand how technology is reshaping the world right now, subscribe to this channel. We break down the biggest shifts in tech in a way that makes sense. No hype, no panic.